Good morning. This is a quick video to go over the concert D flat scale. So the first thing I'm going to look at is I have 5 flats. So my 5 flats are B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. So my first note is D flat, which is piqué only. Then E flat is like normal E flat. Then we have an F natural, and then a G flat, which is going to be thumb 1, 2, 3, 6 for G flat. Then we have A flat, which is banana, B flat, C, and then high D flat, which is pinky again. Back to C, back to B flat, banana key A flat, 1, 2, 3, 6, G flat, F, E flat, and then D flat. All right, the scale is going to sound like this. Down, up, here's D flat. And you can hear that I forgot the G flat coming down, so I'm going to play that scale for you one more time. Down, up, here it goes, D flat. All right, I hope this little video helps you out, and have a great day.